In a quiet forest, where the stars peeked through the treetops, lived a very sleepy moon named Moona. Every night, Moona would rise slowly into the sky, stretch her glowing arms, and whisper, "Good night, world." But tonight was different. Something kept waking her up. Snurk, snurk, hark. It was a sound coming from below. Moona floated lower and lower until she found it, a tall old tree snoring loudly in his sleep. "Mr. Tree," Moona whispered kindly, "you're snoring so loud I can't sleep." The old tree blinked slowly. "Oh dear, I didn't know. I was dreaming of sunny days and squirrels playing." Moona giggled. "That sounds lovely, but maybe dream a little more quietly." The tree nodded and took a deep breath, then let out a soft, breezy sigh like wind through leaves. Perfect. The stars twinkled. The owls hooted. Moona finally drifted back up, curled into the sky, and fell asleep smiling. And down below, the snoring tree dreamed softly about sun, squirrels, and friendly moons. Follow for more magical bedtime stories.